So welcome back, traders. Let's quickly do a quick analysis on our euro pair and any pair relating to our euro. So if you find this my video helpful, please subscribe by the way, like, share and comment. Now our first currency we will be looking at is our euro index. Euro index, that is exactly what we'll be looking for. We can see that we are having that bullish move and bearish move. Our price pushes down, it pushes up, got it right. Our price pushes down again, it pushes up. Now our price has pushed down. Definitely we would want to be looking for that push up. That is exactly what I am aiming for on our euro index. I don't believe that we will continue pushing down yet. Our euro on the long run is actually bearish, but what we will be looking for this week is at our euro should actually give us that a little bit of push up around this our area here before we can actually see that fall. That is exactly what I am aiming for. Our euro should actually be able to push up a little bit, then we would actually see that fall on our euro index. Now the first currency pair we have is our euro Swiss franc. We can see I'm going to mark here as this place has serves as support. It has also given us that resistance, breakout resistance. So I want to be seeing my euro to actually push up a little bit before we actually see that for this week. That is exactly what we are planning to trade on our euro Swiss franc. Our euro should actually give us that movement upward, then we will actually see that fall to this our area here. That is exactly what we are aiming to grab on our euro Swiss franc. On our 4-hour time frame, we can see this place we have a rejection here. Definitely we would want to be having our price to move down here, right? But we would not be able to get it. We should actually be seeing that push up, a little bit of push up. Then if we don't have that that sell around this our area here, then we should actually be having that sell around this area here. So there are two places we would have aiming to take our sell. First place we aiming to take our sell is around this place, push up, and if you don't get it, then we should actually be getting it around there, sell downward on our euro Swiss franc. On our euro New Zealand, one thing that I know also is our New Zealand is actually falling. So definitely all other pairs is actually related to it should actually be going up rapidly. So and one thing we are aiming for is that our euro should actually be pushing up. So we should be able to see that movement on our euro New Zealand. So we should actually at least be aiming to take out our trade. We should actually see that push up around this area here. Then we can get out of our trade, or you can actually aim to take out and take your profit around this our area here. Then before you can actually see that fall. So what I personally aiming for is around this our liquidity area here, where our euro will actually push up. Then you can actually see that fall on our euro New Zealand. On our EURCAD, I should be seeing that bullish movement upward, because I want our card should actually be falling, so our euro should actually be going bullish. So I'm aiming for this place, this my area here, aiming here for that my bullish move before I actually see that fall on my euro card, by the way. So let's see on our weekly time frame. It's not giving us that. Since our price is not giving us that our weekly time frame, so definitely we should actually be pushing up a little bit. Then we will actually see that push down. The why we are saying we are pushing up, we want to see that retracement because our price is actually going down. So definitely we see that fall like this, right? So we actually be seeing that retracement upward before we actually see that fall on our EUROAUD. Same thing with our EURCAD. We should be aiming for, we should actually see that push up before we actually see that push down on our EUROAUD. So that is our analysis for today. So if you find this video helpful, like, share and subscribe.